as we roll forward into the 3 years after the October 24 deadline, that October 27 deadline, there is a rule as part of LCRI that says you need to communicate your replacement plan. And well, what does a replacement plan really entail? It's going to have to communicate exactly these things. Where are you going? Why are you going there? Are you actually reaching impacted populations? And impacted populations is in the rule. We think it's important, and we want to focus on that and help communities focus on that because it's the right thing to do. And it's also now the rule. But beyond that, we also need to just think about how much money is it going to take? Get some forecasts. How many lead lines are we going to get out every year, and set that budget and set expectations to the public and the ratepayers and the taxpayers about what water systems are going to be doing.